Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Leadsbridge, a tool that claims to move your leads across marketing tools with one automated platform. It's a Zapier alternative with steroids. They're better than Zapier, that's real. So AppSumo is just killing it this week. They're just bringing a lot of good deals. So today was massive with beans and Leadsbridge. Leadsbridge, it has only two breeds, so of course you don't have, a really good limited here. But since they have some exclusive integration and breeds, even using two breeds with 400 leads per month, it just worth a lot, a lifetime deal like that. I'm going to show you how the tool works. And remember, please, if you like that review, click on the link in the description to try it from my link because it helps me too much to keep going and doing that reviews. So that is the platform, and it's pretty easy to understand if you have Zapier account because it's the same principles. You create breeds. So each one here, it's a different breed. I'm going to show you how to create a breed, and then I'm going to show you some of their integrations because the main thing here is the kind of integrations that they have. You need to know that they have webhooks, so you can do almost everything with webhooks. But they have some kind of rare integrations like WooCommerce, the Facebook ads, the TikTok ads. So all of those you're gonna find on Leadsbridge. So let's see here that it's a whole only a whole dashboard to create your breed, and you can see here that they have more than 400 of apps. So you can see Moosan, WooCommerce, Facebook, the most popular ones. Facebook leads ads. It's a kind of a how to do it without an integration. So a breed, okay, I didn't say it. You're going to connect, for instance, the Facebook leads ad with Moosan if it's your CRM or Salesforce. So you don't need to go to the ads and like pick each one of the leads or even download the CSV and then go to your CRM. It's gonna break your marketing campaign. You're gonna need to have a whole professional only to do that. So that's why you need to automate the leads and bring the emails and the names coming and going. So you can just have everything organized on your many CRMs. So you can see here the most popular ones, and they are the rarest ones that you're going to find here on Leadsbridge. So you can see Facebook leads ads, TikTok lead generation is here, Google ads, lead from extensions, LinkedIn lead generations, YouTube, TrueView for actions form ads, Instagram leads, Jot form, Typeform, Gravity forms, WooCommerce, income, emails, PrestaShop, Instapage, ClickFunnels, ManyChat, Salesforce, Facebook Marketplace ads, Unbounce, Webhook, Keep, Constant Contact, Zoho, HubSpot, Oracle, ActiveCampaign, Google Sheets, and MailChimp. Those are the most famous one. Let's create a really simple breed so you can know how the tool works. Let's say I want to send lead that I just created on my Google contacts to Moosend on my newsletter. So I just, add a new lead on my Google contacts and I want to forward that lead to Moosend. How I can do that. And this is pretty interesting when, for instance, something that is hard to automate is Facebook groups. So when someone go to your group and they send you an email, usually you need to do it manually or having, work around with a tool only to do that. And even they will upload to a Google Sheet, and then you can automate from the Google Sheet to, Google Contacts, and then move send, etc., etc., etc. But if you don't have a tool for a Facebook group exclusively, you need to take the email and add somewhere. And opening MoveSend every time you want to add an email, it's so boring. But Google Contacts, it's easily to add an email. So you can, automate your Google Contacts Look at the analytics here, Google Forms, Google Calendar. Do you know why it's a no-brainer? Take the Google Contacts, and I'm going to connect it to Musant, like Zapier. And then you click Continue. You can create elaborate automation recommended for complex connections that require more features and formulas. Not us today. I'm going to create a simple bridge. It's a review, not a tutorial. So here, Google Contacts, let's connect a Google Contacts account. My connection is old, I will need to connect again. Let's see it. So every time I add a lead on my Google Contacts, I want to add on Musant. And then I can select campaigns, list, or segment. I want lists. I want to add to a specific list. I want that one. And then you click on continue. You can see here that they automatically mapped email, first name, full name, last name. So it's everything perfect here. Save and publish. You can test the connection as well. So it's done like Zapier, as I said. You can select to receive an email receipt for each lead coming in. So pretty simple, yes or no. And now every time that I add an email on my Google Contacts on a specific Google account that I selected, I will add the lead on a specific list on Musant. And you can see here that I already have more. I have from my Google Contacts to Mailshake, Gist to Musant, Google Contacts to Gist, Involve Me. They have Involve Me integrations to Musant. All right. They have Facebook Suite, Google Suite, LinkedIn Suite, and TikTok Suite that will help you with the specific integrations of those four, main and hair integrations that Leadsbridge have. I want now to show you the integrations they have so you can have an idea of what you can do, okay? So Facebook leads ads, email notification, Google Sheets, Gmail, webhooks, Salesforce is here, ConvertKit, Intercom, Sendinblue, WooCommerce, Twilio is here. You can integrate with Twilio. This is a pretty good, for instance, integrating, Landbot with Twilio. Zendesk is here. Gist is here. Musant is here. Have pretty specific integrations to customize, automate your leads to your CRMs and your emails, newsletters. Okay, PayPal. There is a lot of possibilities here. It's an awesome complement to Zapier, and depending on your workflow, you will not even need Zapier anymore. Of course, the limits of that new deals are not the best one. Look, Instagram leads ads here, but Instapage here, Dropbox here, Landbot here. It's coming. Landbot's integration is coming, but Apple Calendar. But you can create the two breeds, and you can just deactivate the breed when you don't want anymore and create new ones. So to have lead breeds and as a lifetime deal, it's a no-brainer for $39. So I would recommend it, even having those kind of limits. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much.